Let's check out how to go to the educational section of the AI Empires so you can learn how to use it and make it effective for your business and just really all the possibilities that we can consolidate into one place to save you time. Let's go check it out. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to check into the memberships area. Why we're going here first is because this is where all your tutorials are going to live for how to get each section set up and really how we can check all of our conversations or calendars. So this is going to be where all the tutorials live. So on the left side over here in the menu bar, we're going to click on memberships. So when you purchase the AI Empires, this will be included in your package. You'll get an email automatically signing you up saying, hey, you've been granted access to our educational community. Come check it out. So let's go look at where we are going. So we're going to go into communities, and we're going to go into groups, and this is the group that you'll have access to. We'll log in here, and I'll include that URL inside the welcome email as well. So you'll know where to go to get signed up. And what you're going to do is when we come to this landing page, we're going to go up into learning, and this is where it's going to be all of your courses on how to get the AI Empire set up and what the next steps are to really set you up for success. Using this to use AI and automation to optimize a process for your business. It is beginner friendly. Anybody can do this, and that's the beautiful thing about a lot of this technology now is everybody can make it happen. I just wanted to show you where you will be going first to really get these tutorials, and if you follow step by step, we're going to get you set up. Stick around for the next video of the AI Empires, and we'll start checking out the conversations.